Good day everyone, I am Cecil Siduga. Ang aking ire-report po ay tungkol sa Slovenia na part ng lesser crime country. Dumaan ko po muna tayo sa history nito. In 1945, the term militia typically refers to a militia or paramilitary police force was established. So yung paramilitary police force is yung discipline tas yung training na ini-enforce nila sa police at sa mga tao nito ay pang-military talaga na kaya nag-raise ito ng concerns about civil liberties tas yung appropriate use of force in Slovenia. Tas the term policy had derived from the word police and refers to a civilian law enforcement agency after its independence in 1991 from Yugoslavia. On June 25, 1991, the Slovenia declared their independence from Yugoslavia and the term Policija was officially established on January 1, 1992. So, the militia was adopted in Slovenia in 1945 pagkatapos ng World War II. Thus, at that time, Slovenia was part of Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. Kaya nung nag-declare ang Slovenia ng independence sa Yugoslavia nung June 25, 1991, nagkaroon ng yung Yugoslav People's Army ay inopose niya yung independence na gustong i-declare ng Slovenia. Kaya nagkaroon ng 10-day war na which lasted nung June 27 to July 7, 1991. Pero kalaunan din ay nagtagumpay ang Slovenia na makamit yung independence na yun. So, the motto of the Slovenian police is Varujemo, Izluzimo, Pomagamo, which translates to we protect, we serve, we help, na ine-emphasize nito ang core responsibilities and values of the police force in Slovenia. Policing system in Slovenia. Structure. The Slovenian police is a unified, hierarchical, and professional force. It is organized into several directorates, each responsible for specific areas of law enforcement. The directorates are headed by the General Police Directorate, which is responsible for overseeing the entire police force. So, hierarchical means organized in a rank order. So, may mga nasa high level, tas may mga lower level na officer. At yung General Police Directorate nila doon ay siya yung namumuno sa 8 police directorates doon, which are Police Directorate Selhe, Police Directorate Koper, Police Directorate Kran, Police Directorate Ljubljana, Police Directorate Murska Sobota, Police Directorate Maribor, Police Directorate Nova Gorica, Police Directorate Nova Mesto. So each directorate ay may mga covers sila, which is example sa Police Directorate Selhe, cover nito ang Central Region of Slovenia, tas pati na din yung city ng Selhe. Functions. The Slovenian police is responsible for maintaining public order, enforcing the law, investigating crimes, and protecting citizens. The police also play a role in disaster relief and emergency response. Transparency. The Slovenian police is committed to transparency, and accountability. The police operate under a system of checks and balances, and the public has access to information about the police activities. Yung pwede lang ma-access ng public dito is ay mga crime statistics, police operation, and pati na din yung salary ng police. Yung hindi naman nila pwedeng ma-access dito ay yung mga classified na sensitive na information na gaya ng personal data, personal information. The police also have a strong focus on community policing, which involves working with local communities to address crime and other issues. May programa din ang Police Slovenia, gaya ng Neighborhood Police Officer Program na ini-involve nito ang mga local communities. Isa pa dito ay yung Local Safety Council. Criminal justice process in Slovenia. Investigation. Sa investigation, yung police yung mag-investigate, tas mag-gather ng evidence, tas siya din yung magfa-file ng charges sa prosecutor's office. Sa prosecution naman, siya yung prosecutor's review. Siya yung magre-review, tas magde-decide whether the evidence was okay ito na pwedeng pwedeng maipunta sa court. Siya yung magde-decide. Pag na-decide naman niya na pwede yun, dadalhin niya sa court, tas magkakaroon ng trial, tas sentencing. Sa trial naman, trial and sentencing is yung judge at jury yung magde-decide kung yung defendant ba is guilty or hindi guilty. At kung guilty naman ito ay mag-i-impose sila ng punishment na according sa crime na align sa crime na ginawa ng suspect. Police recruitment process in Slovenia. Eligibility. Candidates must meet specific requirements. Yung sa including age, education, and physical fitness. Sa age ng na pwedeng mag-apply ng police sa Slovenia is yung minimum nito ay 18, tas yung maximum nito ay 30. Sa education, at least ito ay have a high school diploma, tas pag na-meet mo yung eligibility, ay pwede ka nang mag-apply. Applicants submit their applications and undergo initial screening. Kung nakuha ka sa screening, pwede ka nang pumunta sa testing. Candidates take physical and psychological assessments, written exams, and interviews. Sa psychological assessments, ito ay mga parang tinetest, they will assess your emotional stability at mental abilities kung proper personality traits. Yung dun sa psychologist naman na mag-assess sa applicants ay employed. Ito ay na-employed ng police. Police din na andun. Police ng Slovenia. Kung nakapasa ka naman sa testing, syempre may email silang i-send sa'yo na nakuha ka. So, pwede ka nang mag-training. Dun sa training naman is 18 months. 18 months na magte-training ang isang applicants sa police academy. Tas pagkatapos mong mag-training, may mga may days na ibibigay sa'yo, mga 7 to 14 bago ang deployment. Tas dito sa deployment, graduates are assigned to various departments and roles within the Slovenian police. Foreign police rank insignia in Slovenia. So, ito yung rank police officer 4 to Director General of the Police. Tas tong emblem, the emblem of the Slovenian Police is a stylish golden Triglav mountain, which is the highest mountain in Slovenia. Police uniform in Slovenia. So, yung color ng uniform ng Slovenia is blue, which is symbolizing authority and professionalism. Yung design naman yung ng uniform nila is it consists of a shirt, trousers, jacket, cap, and belt with a variety of pockets and insignia. Sa equipment, officers carry a range of equipment including a firearm, handcuffs, a baton, and pepper spray. Variations. There are variations in the uniform based on the officer's rank, department, and specific role. Reasons for lower crime rate in Slovenia. So, dahil isa sa rason kung bakit kasali sa lower crime rate ang Slovenia is because of high quality of life. Parang Slovenia has a high standard of living and social welfare system, reducing economic inequality and providing opportunities for personal growth and stability. Dahil sa high quality of life, may mga trabaho, they can apply to various company kung wala man silang trabaho. Number 2, tong effective law enforcement. So because of effective law enforcement, the crime rate in Slovenia lessen. Number 3, strong community ties. So yung community ties nila is tightly knit. So, parang they foster the sense of belonging and responsibility. Parang they made you feel dahil sa strong community ties na ito ay yung mga tao dito ay parang mga pamilya na yung turing nila sa isa't isa. Emphasis on education. Slovenia places a high value on education, providing opportunities for personal development and skill acquisition, leading to reduced criminal activity. Vehicles. The Slovenian police uses a range of vehicles, including patrol cars, motorcycles, vans, to respond to incidents and enforce traffic laws. They prioritize vehicles that are practical, reliable, and well-equipped for various law enforcement tasks. Siyempre, kung may hinahabol silang kriminal, siyempre yung gagamitin nilang vehicle ay yung inline din sa ginagamit yung parang kaya nilang mahabol yung kriminal na yun kung ito man ay gustong tumakas. Tas sa emblem, the emblem features a stylish representation of Mountain Triglav, which symbolizes strength, stability, protection, and the country's natural beauty, and that conveys resilience and reliability. The use of gold in the emblem signifies prestige and authority. So, yung Triglav, Mountain Triglav, ito yung pinakamataas na mountain sa Slovenia na ito ay sinesymbolize na yung strength. Yung Mountain Triglav, ito ay it is standing at 2,863.65 meters sa Slovenia. Salary according to the ranks. Ito po ang estimated monthly gross salary ng police sa Slovenia. Hanggang police officer 4 hanggang sa General Police Directorate. Ito po ang aking report. Thank you po sa panonood.